A family company formed in 1968, SIP Industrial Products have grown to be one of the largest and most respected suppliers of a range of industrial equipment. The Tempest TP550 petrol-driven pressure washer from SIP. This powerful trade petrol engine pressure washer is perfect for use in large open spaces where no mains power is available. Manufactured to the highest standards, the TP550 comes with many features and benefits, which make it perfectly suited to agricultural or contractor use. This pressure washer runs on unleaded petrol and is equipped with a powerful 7 horsepower OHV engine, a 3000 psi maximum output pressure and 545 litre per hour water flow rate. The pressure washer also features a heavy duty wheel mounted vertical frame, giving it small storage footprint, 5 quick release nozzles, each nozzle gives a different spray pattern, situated in a convenient frame mounted holder, a 9-metre hose and heavy duty pistol with lance assembly. Both the lance and hose can be stored out of the way when not in use, in integrated frame holders, large diameter wheels for easy manoeuvrability, and a detergent pipe with filter. SIP stock a range of jerry cans and spouts perfect for use with their petrol engine pressure washers. Also available from SIP are 3 more trade petrol powered pressure washers. These models are equipped with brass head pumps, space saving folding frames and many more features. The Tempest TP550 petrol driven pressure washer from SIP. An excellent choice for agricultural and contractor use.